First, identify the correct patient. Good morning, ma'am. Ano po ang name nila? Kailan po ang birthday?
Misaki Watanabe, September 11, 1995.
Second, introduce yourself and state the purpose of the intervention. Ako po si Nurse Aliyah, ang inyong nurse mula 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Ang layunin po ng ating gagawin ay para malaman ang heartbeat ng inyong baby.
Okay po.
Third, do hand hygiene. Fourth, expose the part to be examined, keeping a cover on the other parts. Fifth, perform the second maneuver, umbilical grip, to locate the back. Sixth, place the diaphragm of the stethoscope onto the client's abdomen. Seventh, count the number of heartbeats in 1 whole minute. Eighth, 2 beats are equals to 1 count. Ninth, assist client to get out from the bed and keep all the materials used. 10. Wash hands. Last, record your findings on the client's chart and refer.